What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to insert a SIM card on your S10 Ultra Smartwatch. So if you have your S10 Ultra Smartwatch that uses a SIM card and you want to be able to insert your SIM card into your S10 Ultra Smartwatch, this video will guide you on how to go about doing that. First things first, usually when you get your S10 Ultra Smartwatch, it should come with a SIM ejector that looks just like this, and sometimes you might actually get a SIM ejector that looks just like this one over here. Now basically, to remove the SIM card slot of your S10 Ultra Smartwatch, you want to just look at the left hand side of the smartwatch. It is usually at the left hand side, not on the right hand side over here. And usually if your S10 Ultra Smartwatch actually comes with this SIM card ejector, what you just want to do is to look for the SIM card ejector hole that usually lies on top of this SIM card cover on the left hand side of the smartwatch. So you just want to go ahead and insert this SIM card ejector inside of the hole and press on it a little bit, and the SIM card will open up. However, if your S10 Ultra Smartwatch actually comes with this SIM card ejector, what you can just do is to insert the SIM card at the back of this cover over here, and once you insert it, you just want to pull it out, and automatically you should be able to remove the SIM card from your S10 Ultra Smartwatch. Now what you just want to do is to go ahead and insert your SIM card. So get your SIM card, and you're going to notice that there is actually a little cut on the SIM card slot over here. You want to make sure that the cut on your SIM card actually fits the cut on the smartwatch SIM card slot. So you just want to go ahead and put it just like so, and once it fits, as you can see, you can now go ahead and insert it on your S10 Ultra Smartwatch SIM card slot. Now usually after inserting the SIM card, your S10 Ultra Smartwatch will not just start working with the SIM card automatically. Usually what you want to do is to go ahead and restart the smartwatch. So you just want to long press on the power button over here, press and hold, and then you're going to see the reboot option. Just go ahead and slide that to reboot the smartwatch. Give it some few seconds, and so now that it is turned on, I'll just go ahead and open up the menu. And if I try to make a call, so if I actually scroll down from over here, or just come over here where I have the phone call option, and then go ahead and call any number, I can now make a call without any problem. And as you can see, this actually works pretty well without any problem. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.